Okay, so this question is asking for the length of the arc, which is another way of saying that is the arc length. And in your notes, I actually gave you guys an arc length formula. It looks something like this. You got to take the angle, the central angle is what that is. Whatever the central angle is, that's the angle that we're talking about. Put that over 360 degrees. Set that equal to, you can use S. Sometimes instead of S, you'll see L. I don't know why they use S, but they do. And you're going to put that over the circumference. But remember, sometimes the circumference, they're not going to give it to us, and so we have to use the formula for circumference, and circumference is also 2 pi r. So in this situation, they gave me everything we need. If you look, they gave me the central angle of 60 degrees. So 60 over 360 equals S, which I'm trying to find, over the circumference, which they gave me right here, which is 6. And now it's just a proportion question that's pretty easy to solve. So the first thing I would do is just cancel out a 0, take a 10 out of both of those, and 6 out of 36 reduces down to 1/6 over equals S over 6. Well, this should be pretty easy to see. If you were to multiply both sides by 6, you could see it even easier. So the arc length is simply 1. That's it. The arc length here is 1. What is the length of the arc? It's 1. 1 unit, whatever the unit is. They didn't give us units, so we're just going to say 1. That's it.